Why does your scanner show the P0176 engine code? What does it mean? P0176 is a diagnostic trouble code for fuel composition sensor circuit. This engine code indicates that the code is triggered when the Engine Control Module, ECM, detects an incorrect or abnormal signal from the flex fuel sensor. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: fuel composition sensor failure, wiring issues, contaminated or incorrect fuel, PCM problems, fuel separation. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford Ranger models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.